Careers in biology. The science of biology is progressing day by day. New and modern fields are coming into existence. There is an increase in the demand for manpower in these departments. Following are the careers that a student of biology can plan to adopt. Medical profession. The students get a degree of MBBS after passing their FSc to adopt this profession. There are two main divisions of the medical profession, which are medicine and surgery. Medicine is concerned with the diagnosis and treatment of human diseases. For example, the diagnosis and treatment of malaria in a sick person. Surgery is concerned with the repairing, replacement, and removal of different body parts of human beings, such as repairing broken bones, kidney transplants, or the removal of an appendix from the human body. After the completion of MBBS, the students of medicine may specialize in a particular field, like becoming an eye specialist, heart specialist, and so on. The student interested in surgery may specialize in different fields like general surgery, neurosurgery, etc. Fisheries is the study of the production of all those animals on a commercial scale which are obtained from the sea or rivers, such as fish, prawns, lobsters, and so on. Fisheries biologists work to increase both the quality and quantity of foods that come from the sea and rivers. The fisheries profession can be taken up by students after they get a master's degree in marine science or zoology and a bachelor's degree in fisheries. Agriculture is an important field because it basically deals with human food. Agriculture is the cultivation of plants for food, biofuel, fiber, and other products that are used to sustain human life. Agriculturists work for the betterment of crops like wheat, rice, corn, and many others. Students who have passed FSc in biology can become agriculturists by getting a master's degree or a bachelor's degree in agriculture. Animal husbandry is the professional study of the care, betterment, and breeding of livestock, like domestic animals such as cows, goats, sheep, and so on. Professional courses in animal husbandry can be taken up after passing FSc with biology. Degree holders in this science work in different fields like pharmaceutical industries, veterinary, farming, livestock, and more. Horticulture is, well, a branch of agriculture. It's actually the science of producing gardens, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and ornamental plants. If you're interested in this profession, you can adopt it by getting a professional degree in horticulture after passing FSc with biology. Farming is another great option. So, a person who has got a professional degree in fisheries, agriculture, animal husbandry, and so on, can actually form different types of farms. These could be poultry farms, vegetable farms, fruit farms, or even animal breeding farms, just to name a few. Forestry is all about scientific knowledge, where we study the production of artificial forests in an area, along with the protection of natural forests. It's also concerned with getting more timber, managing biodiversity, and providing habitats for wildlife, among other things. You can obtain a professional degree in forestry after passing BSc with zoology and botany. Biotechnology is, the combination of biology and technology. It's considered the most advanced branch of biology. Biotechnology uses organisms or their systems to make specific products, and these products are, of course, useful for other organisms. You can go for professional courses in biotechnology after passing FSc or BSc with biology. Besides the mentioned fields, you can explore these biology-related careers in Pakistan, academia. Pursue a career in teaching or research as a professor, lecturer, or research student. You'll need a master's or PhD degree from a reputable university. Bioinformatics. Work as a professional bioinformatician, analyzing biological data and developing computational tools. A strong background in computer programming and biology is essential. Research and development. Join research institutions, universities, or private companies as a research scientist, investigating new biological processes, products, or technologies. A BS or MS degree in a relevant field is often required. Environmental conservation. Work with government agencies or NGOs on environmental projects, such as conservation, sustainability, and policy development. A degree in environmental science or biology can be beneficial. Science writing and communication. Share your passion for biology with the public through science writing, editing, or communication roles. A strong writing background and biology knowledge are necessary. To pursue these careers, you typically need a BS, Mississippi, or PhD degree in biology, biotechnology, or a related field from a reputable university. Skills, strong research, analytical, and problem-solving skills, along with effective communication and teamwork abilities. Experience. Practical experience through internships, research projects, or volunteer work can significantly enhance your job prospects. Networking. Building connections with professionals in your field can help you learn about opportunities and best practices. Some top universities in Pakistan offering biology-related programs include Quaid-e-Azam University Islamabad, International Islamic University Islamabad, University of Karachi, National University of Sciences and Technology, NUST, ComSats. Institute of Information Technology salary ranges vary depending on the field, experience, and location. For example, research assistants can earn between 40,000 to 60,000 PKR, while biotechnology specialists can earn 60,000 to 90,000 PKR.